Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you one story. This is about a guru and his disciple. One day a disciple thought that his guru is very old now, and till date guru had not offered him the seed mantra. Seed mantra means the core mantra which is used to get success in spiritualism. One fine morning, he decided to ask his guru about his seed mantra. So, he approached to his guru. Guru had the intuitive power and he already knew about the intention of his disciple. Seeing the disciple, Guru told him to come closer and intended to offer the seed mantra. The disciple became very happy and delightful as his guru knew about his wish. When he came closer, Guru whispered the word Om. Disciple got confused and asked for the second time about the seed mantra. Again, the Guru whispered the word Om. Whole day, this guy was confused about the mischief of Guru, because since a long time he was chanting the same word Om, and at the fag end, the same word came as seed mantra. In the evening, Guru called him and handed over one piece of stone, which was not very shiny but really a different one. He asked his disciple to find the value of the stone but not to sell it to anybody. Next morning, the disciple went to a grocery shop and asked for the value. The grocery shop owner inspected it and told him that it was of no value for him, and he returned back the stone. Next, he visited one glass store owner, hoping to get more value for the stone. The glass store owner inspected it and found it really different, and he decided to mount it over the glass furniture which he was making for the king, and offered him a glass box in return. The disciple took back the stone and went to a small jewelry shop and showed the stone to the shop owner. The shop owner inspected it carefully and offered him one gold coin. The disciple took back the stone and decided to visit a city. Next, he visited a big diamond shop and showed the same stone piece to shop owner. The diamond shop owner did not take a minute to tell him that this stone was a rarest and priceless one. He could not even buy it because the money he had was not sufficient to buy this precious stone. So he returned back the piece of stone to the disciple monk. In our life, education and mantra depends upon the receiver. Same knowledge is imparted by our teachers, parents, gurus, but very few get success. Acquiring the knowledge and applying the same as mantra should be our motto.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to never miss such knowledgeable videos from Growth Mantra. Also leave your comments below to let us know which topic would you like to watch in our next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed.